welcome back to this week's video. So for this week's video I'm going to be doing a clean with me, and I have to declutter for when I go off to college, so I thought why not bring you guys along with on this journey of decluttering and cleaning my really messy room. As most of you guys know, I do share a room with my brother, so it tends to get messy a little bit easier, which kind of sucks. But yeah, also don't mind my voice. I'm just getting over being sick for like a good week, so we're still recovering here. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys an overview of my room, and yeah, let's get right on into it. Okay, so this is my room right when you walk in. Here is the door, and then my desk is right here, trash is right here. I have a huge mess underneath here, so I need to do that. I have a random towel there. There's my bed and then my brother's bed. We just washed the sheets, and my bed is semi-made, so yeah, I'm not gonna worry about my brother's bed or anything when I'm doing this, but I have to clean up all of this. I have laundry that I still have to put away, an empty bag from DSW. I've got my suitcase that has all my long sleeve clothes in it. That is my brother's, so I'm just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit just so it looks a little bit nicer, and his stuff isn't all over the place. And then I have this whole mess to clean up here, and my vanity is pretty organized, but I'm gonna go through all of this. Here is my mirror, my closet. I'm going to be going through all my clothes in here. That is a mess. That is staying a mess just because most of it's my brother's stuff, and I can't really go through any of that. And then this bin here that's next to my door, I'm planning on getting rid of everything that's pretty much in here, so we're going to go through that. So let's get started. So I'm going to be playing my Spotify music. I'm going to be using my go-to playlist that I have on here. But you guys have to listen to non-copyrighted music, sadly. But I'm going to be using that, and I will link my Spotify down below for you guys in case you guys want to see my playlist and my songs and things like that. So first step that we're going to do is clean my desk area, since it's what you see pretty much right when you walk in on this side. So we are going to take care of her.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Okay guys, so my camera died and I let it charge for a little bit. Now I am back. I finished trash bag number 1 and I'm on trash bag number 2. I have a load of laundry in the washer right now. My delicates are in there. I have my regulars ready to go, and this corner, I'll show you guys, literally looks so much better than what it did before. It's not fully clean, but it is looking a lot better. So this is what we are currently dealing with. I have that laundry basket ready to go whenever my delicates are done. I know that these bags of clothes are on the ground because I do have to get rid of them. I'm planning on selling them or like donating them or doing something with those clothes. Those clothes I know I don't wear that are in these bags. I actually did that a while ago. I just never took them, so they just ended up there on my ground. So I have to clean up some of this. I'm gonna clean through those drawers and do all that kind of stuff, but it is looking so much better.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make.
So next I'm going to be cleaning up the corner that's by our bed, and then I'm going to be cleaning up a little bit of another corner that's next to my desk. So what I kind of did was just do like a full circle. So let's get on to that corner.
Mistake, I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
guys, so about 2 trash bags later and a little break to go walk my dogs and talk to my mom and stuff. My room is clean. I'm going to show you guys the little overview. I still have to take the trash cans or the trash bags out, and I'll kind of explain a little bit about what's going on, because you still will see a little bit of like bins or things like that, and I'm going to explain that. So yeah. Okay, so these are the 2 trash bags that I have to take out, but then I have my shoes back here, just like my casual everyday shoes that I tend to wear. And then that's my overview of my desk. I have both of my bullet journals here. Then I just got this in my school today, so I just had that there for right now, but that is what my desk looks like. That, and then the underneath part, and that. This is just my bag that I put my laptop in when I'm going over to my boyfriend's. And then these are just 2 bins that I have to like give to my mom. So I'm gonna go do that. And then this is where I keep like my notebooks. All my tech stuff is down here. That is just like a nice pretty decor spot. I have my power bank here and 2 car fresheners, and then I just have phone cases, and that, you can see that. I didn't really do anything with my bed or my brother's bed, like I said, but I did clean up this area, as you can tell. That is just a bin of my school stuff that I am passing down to my brother. So it has like my pre-calc textbook, my economics textbook, some AP review and SAT prep stuff. And then this is where all of my other shoes are. This is basically a broken drawer that we have to get put back up for my brother's dresser, but that's why that's sitting there. And then I cleared all of this off. That luggage case has all my winter clothes in it. I packed all of it up, so that is where it's going. I've had that there for a little bit. These 2 bags right here are going to Plato's Closet or getting donated. I'm doing something with those. That pile of clothes right here is actually that pile of clothes here is going to my boyfriend so he can wash it and put more of his cologne on it and do stuff with that. This has all my dorm stuff, which I'm doing a haul video specifically for that, but that is just a pile of all of that. I have a picture of me from my photographer, Catherine. That has my hamper of all my dirty clothes, obviously. Currently, I have my athletic wear ready to go. I have to go switch the laundry, but I'm basically going to be doing laundry stuff for the rest of the night. I didn't do anything with my vanity or anything, and yeah, so that is kind of the overview for my room. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I'm actually so happy on how my room turned out and that I actually was able to declutter it. So yeah, anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.